everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to write a free verse poem. This will be a simple poetry tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, a free verse poem has no rules and no guidelines. It's basically you letting your thoughts run free, okay? And you want to sort of stick to a certain topic or theme. So you want to pick a topic or theme and then let your thoughts run free. Just write down whatever comes to mind. You can divide it up however you want to. Now, these are some quick examples that I came up with. So the first one is going to be about skunks, okay? So I'm going to just do like a speaking off the cuff type of poem. Now, I'm writing on my lap, so just bear with me over here, okay? So let's write a nice free verse poem. Skunks. Okay? That's the first line. Skunks. Like that. Comma. Okay? Black and white. Comma. Super stinky. So you can see I start off with the topic. I'm doing two words, basically like two things, okay? Super stinky. Scares me much. Stinky skunks. So for this one, as you can see, and I'll put an exclamation mark there at the end. For this one, you can say started off with a simple topic, then I kept to the same sort of theme, black and white, super stinky, scares me much, and then I added on to the original word, stinky skunks. That's a quick, easy example of a free verse poem. Now for the next example, I'm gonna incorporate some rhyming, okay? So let's do another one. Today was great, comma. I saw my mate, comma, and I wasn't late, comma, but I forgot to open the gate. To open the gate, period. Okay? I'm even going to put a smiley face at the end because you can do whatever you want in a poem. Okay? So you can see for this one, I did a little bit of rhyming, but I didn't follow a set type of theme because it was all about today, but today was great. I saw my mate and I wasn't late, but then I threw off the whole pattern by saying, and I forgot to open the gate. It rhymed and I had three lines with the same pattern, and that fourth one threw it off. But that's the point of a free verse poem. You want to do whatever floats your boat, basically. But that's it. That is how to write a free verse poem. I would like to see some examples of your free verse poetry in the comment section below. Go ahead and post some examples of your free verse poems, okay? That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.